Hey guys, our set is falling apart.
Always. Hey guys, it's Moose and Lauren here, back at you with another video from Spreadshop.com.
What's happening?
If you're new to the channel, welcome, and don't forget to smash that I can never say this. Take it away.
Smash that subscribe button, baby.
See, I can never do it. I trip over my words. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's segment is going to be about how to make merchandise if you're a YouTuber and how you can promote it through your channel.
And this is episode 1 of a little mini-series we're doing for you guys. So tune back in for all the other aspects and great things about selling merchandise through your YouTube channel. Today we'll start out giving you some high-level intros, just kind of the benefits of merchandising and using your followers as a good customer base.
Exactly. And if you're just starting out with YouTube, you don't have to have these followers. Merchandising is a way to, one, grow your following, but if you're already a YouTuber with a loyal following, it's a great way to engage your fans as well. They're supporting you for a reason, they're subscribing to your channel for a reason, so they're going to want a way to represent you. If there is a saying that you always use, or you make a reference to something a lot, just toss it on a shirt, and 1, you'll make a profit, and 2, your fans will be happy because they have something to express themselves with that represents your channel.
It's just a smart thing to do, right? Go in, open a shop. Spreadshop's the way to do it. It's free to sign up. It's free for life. We handle customer service, we handle shipping, we print the shirts when they're ordered.
We do all the annoying work.
Inventory costs. We do all the grunt work for you guys. All you do is come up with funny sayings, cool designs, put those on merchandise, publish them to your shops, share them with your followers, maybe in a video, get them excited about supporting you as a creator. And you'll be selling shirts, you'll be having fun with your channel. You can focus on what you love to do, which is making YouTube videos, and on the side make a little cash with an online shop.
Give it a try, and I think you'll be really happy with the results from it. And welcome to the first part of this series. We're excited to have you guys along with us for the ride. So that being said, go on to Spreadshop.com and sign up for your first shop today.
You'll find a lot of how-tos on our YouTube channel here. Tune back in, subscribe below, like this video, tell a friend about it. I don't know, I'm just trying to get followers for ourselves right now. But that being said, head over to Spreadshop.com, like Lauren said, open up a shop, try it out. It's free. If you don't like it,
it's fun. I have fun doing it.
You're gonna like it. It's just an easy way to make money off your followers, and you can focus on the videos you love making at the same time. I think we covered a little high level why you should sell merchandise as a YouTuber. Next time we might cover a little bit more of how to set up your shop and how to make it work for you. So tune back for that. We're excited for it.
Totally.
Till next time.
We'll see you later.
Take it easy.
Bye. Bye.